Hi guys, this is Jake from All Things Garmisch, and here's another one of my tips and tricks. When you get to Neuschwanstein, you're going to find that finding a restroom is a bit of a challenge, and they're usually not free. You can find a paid restroom just behind the Jaeger House, which is back there behind the new hotel. Oop, right there, see the Jaeger House? The Jaeger House, the Hunter's House. There's a restroom just inside there, behind it. Also, there's restrooms up near the castle entrance. There's Neuschwanstein. Inside, just near the castle entrance, is a small waiting area that's covered, and there's restrooms right there next to the kiosk. Also, once you go inside the castle entrance, inside the stables, just inside on the right is restrooms as well. But my personal favorite, my secret restrooms, right behind me is the Hotel Mueller. It's here at the base, right before you go up to Neuschwanstein. And inside the Hotel Mueller, you can see there's a gift shop. And then right there is my favorite coffee shop. I highly recommend getting their cappuccino. It's very good. When you walk in, just to the right of where you buy your coffee is the sliding glass doors. Go through those doors, take another right, and then you'll see some stairs going down to free restrooms. They're free if you buy the coffee. All right, guys, I hope that helps.